Have you ever done it on the beach? Have you ever done it on the beach? Hey, right now the cool, cool breeze. Sun fire. Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl China K, and welcome to another episode of the On My Mind series. I'm here in beautiful Negril, Jamaica for the 2016 Dream Weekend event series. And every morning I have breakfast by the beach, ackee and sawfish to be exact, with a couple boiled dumpling tree. And I can't help but notice there are tons of tourists wandering about. If you remember, I did an episode called What Americans Think Jamaica is Like, and they had some pretty interesting things to say, like Haiti is the capital of Jamaica, and that we produce the world's best tasting salt. I'm gonna let that sink in for a second. Yep, the world's best tasting salt. I'm looking at these tourists and they seem to be having a grand old time on my beautiful island. So I'm going to bother some of them to find out, why did you choose to vacation in Jamaica and what it is about this beautiful island that you love so much. So do not move. Let's go. I did the intro on your boat.
I am the owner of Raise Water Sport in Negril.
Okay, so how you like the vibe here in Negril as a captain?
Oh boy, the vibes is fine.
The vibes is fine. How are the tourists?
The tourists are all right. All different nations we meet here, so we have to know to adjust. We act and everything. With speech, you have to adjust at all times.
So you have a twang?
Boy, you have to twang English, Spanish, every little thing you have to change. You have to be versatile.
Okay, so twang with my ear now. So you're an American captain. Now, what do you got?
Yeah, I'm an American captain sometimes, and we have a Booby Key Island there where we can take you out and you spend the day out there. We have lobster. Oh, everything is available.
All right. So give me a British accent.
Sometimes the people come and ask for a cup of tea,
What channel?
So we fix them a cup of tea.
A cup of tea?
Yeah, a cup of tea.
Cup of tea, mate.
Yeah, they like it.
Yeah, give me a beer joke. All right, so I'm going to let you go back to work right now, and I'm about to go get ready to head out.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, too,
and
sweetie.
send all the people here in Negril.
Of course, definitely. They got to come to Jamaica, right?
Yeah, man.
I'm from Wayne, New Jersey.
Wayne, New Jersey. I happen to know that place. I went to William Patterson University, which is in Wayne.
So did I.
Whoop, whoop! What are the chances of that, meeting up in Jamaica? How you liking Jamaica?
I'm loving it. It's awesome.
So what have you been doing?
Just relaxing, drinking, just hanging out on the beach, playing some volleyball.
Nice. So why did you choose Jamaica?
We've heard from many friends that they liked it here, Rick's Cafe, different things, and, just a good time, relaxing, and that's what we wanted to come and do.
Here next to another lovely tourist that's laying out on the beach doing absolutely nothing, which is okay to do because you're vacationing in Jamaica. That's right. How are you liking it so far?
I love it.
You love it? So what have you been doing?
Relaxing.
So why did you choose to vacation in Jamaica as opposed to anywhere else?
We wanted to experience the Jamaican life.
The Jamaican life. Do you smoke any weed since you've been here? Because that's why some tourists always talk about.
Oh, we will.
You will?
We have not yet.
But you will.
We might.
Okay, so safe to say you're enjoying Jamaica so far and
We're
everything.
enjoying it.
All right, so she doesn't even have to say anything else. I wish I could just take your spot right now and just do nothing too, just like that. And where are you from?
We're from Birmingham, England,
And why did you choose to vacation here?
because obviously the weather, the people are friendly. Just look at the ocean, the sands, the beach, the cocktails, the food. Do I need to say any more?
Hi, what's your name? Louise. And what's your name, sweetie?
Amelia.
Amelia. And where are you guys from?
England.
Why did you choose to vacation in Jamaica?
Sunshine, good weather, and safety.
Okay, and how are you liking your vacation so far?
We love it.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing so far?
The swimming pool.
The swimming pool. So what about the ocean? Do you like the ocean?
Yeah.
Did you see any fishes?
No.
No, there's tons out there. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm all right, thank you. How are you?
Great. And where are you from?
England.
And why did you choose to vacation in my beautiful Jamaica?
Well, we looked on the internet, looked really nice. Sue had been here before, that's my wife. So we thought we'd give it a go, really nice.
And how are you enjoying it so far?
Fantastic, love it.
Doesn't have to say anything else. Jamaica is fantastic. Hi, how are you doing?
Hi,
Where are you from?
Wales.
Wales. And how you like vacation in Jamaica so far?
Oh, it's amazing.
It's amazing.
Amazing. Yeah.
What have you done so far?
Nothing, just relax in the sun.
Nothing, right? That's the best thing to do, right?
Yeah, that's why we're here.
Okay, so why did you choose Jamaica out of any other island or country that you could have went to?
Because we chose the best island that we could get married on. So we're getting married here next week.
You're getting married
Yeah.
next week? That's so exciting.
That's the whole reason for coming out here.
Oh my goodness. Are you excited or nervous?
Yeah, bit of both now.
A bit of both?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
He is ready. Okay, enjoy the rest of your vacation.
Thank you
okay?
very much.
And congratulations. And how you doing?
I'm okay.
And how you enjoying Negril?
It's lovely.
Okay, why do you think a lot of tourists come to this side of the island?
A peace of mind, the beach, the environment, you know.
Hi, what's your name?
Stuart,
And where are you from?
England,
And how many times have you been to Jamaica?
4 times to this hotel.
Okay, and how are you liking it?
We love it here.
Why did you choose to vacation in Jamaica?
We just like the culture and we like the people. The Jamaican people are wonderful people.
What is the vibe that you get here from some of the tourists?
Persons are different, culture. Well, for American, Canadian, it's more upbeat. The Europeans, kind of low key. So it's diverse from our guests.
What's your name?
Fitzroy,
Fitzroy. I'm on a captain at. What do you do?
drive a boat.
You drive a boat. So we're here in Negril where there's tons of tourists. What is the vibe that you get from tourists when they come here and they want to ride on your boat?
Good vibes. Tourists here are friendly.
Anybody drop off at your boat?
Drop off on my boat? No, man. Couldn't allow that.
Couldn't allow that?
No, I couldn't allow that.
All right, so if I come on your boat, I can't swim. So if I come on your boat and drop off, you can save me?
Like I even eat you like a shark.
Eat like a shark. Okay, you heard from the tourists. Jamaica is the vacation spot. So what are you waiting for? If you're watching me on YouTube right now and you're watching me on your TV channel right now, you need to switch it up. You need to head to the internet, call your travel agent, and book a ticket to come to Jamaica and join me so we can vacation together in beautiful Negril, Jamaica.